Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to show you guys how I apply my clip-in extensions. And these clip-in extensions, I made them myself. It was a DIY project, which I have a video on how I make my clip-ins, and I will link it in the description box below. I'll also try to pin it somewhere up here so you guys can check it out. And the hair that I used, I would say it's deep wave. They call it kinky curly, but I think it's deep wave. And this hair is by a company called Annmode, which is an AliExpress vendor. And thank you so much to Annmode Hair Company for sending me this amazing hair. It's so soft, lightweight. I really love it. And for these clip-ins I used only 1.5 bundles of hair. So for the bottom part I used 18 inches, and for the top part I used half of 20 inches. So they sent me 4 bundles. It was 18, 20, 22 and 24 inches, which I really love. The hair is amazing, it's soft. And if you guys want to see how I attach my clip-ins on my short hair, then keep watching. First thing first, this is my braid pattern. I have all my braids going towards the left like that, and I also have 2 braids that are going back. Front here I have 1 braid going this way and 1 braid going here, and I also have 1 thick braid going down. So these 3 are my leave outs. So if you guys watched my previous video, I was making my own clip-ins using hair that was sent to me by Annmode Company, which is an AliExpress vendor. I'll link somewhere up here. And on that video I was making my own DIY clip-ins and showing you guys how you can make your own clip-ins. These are the clip-ins that I made using 1.5 bundles of hair. I used 18 inches and half of 20 inches. So for the back ones I started with the 18 inches because I want everything to be on the same level. So I made about 6 pieces of clip-ins. That's why I have 6 braids. So if you can see the hair texture, this is more like deep wave, and my hair is not curly. So this is my first clip. It's a 2-clip one. I'm going to apply my first clip. It has 2 clips. So I'm going to apply it on the first braid. And this is 18 inches, and now I'm going in with the second clip. This is also 18 inches, and like I said, I will link the video when I was making them. I will link it in the description box below, and also you can check it up here. So this one has 3 clips, and these first 3 are 18 inches, and I did triple my wefts, so it's like tripled. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this one. And the third clip, which is also a 3-clip one, and it's also 18 inches. So this is basically 1 bundle of hair, and it's a lot of hair. Like, it's a lot of hair. Now moving to the 4th clip. This is 20 inches, and as you guys can see, the curls kind of like widen up here, so they're not as tight as the 18 inches. So I'm just opening my clips, but the hair is like the same texture. It's soft, and I've already washed these clip-ins and conditioned them, and they're still soft, no shedding, no tangling, which is why I love this company. I'm left with 2 clips and each has 2 clips on them. So I'm going to apply one on this braid and one on this braid, and then I have my leave out here in the middle. So now I have all my clip-ins attached, and this is why I made the longer ones on top instead of the bottom. I wanted everything to kind of like end on the same level so I don't trim my hair. So it's kind of like balancing now. And now it's time to work on my leave out. I'm just gonna pull everything back and undo my braids. I'm taking my Jamaican black castor oil and I'm going to apply it all over my hair. And to curl my hair, I'm going to use this Revlon Flex Gel, and this is the Extreme Hold Styling Gel. So I'm going to apply a little bit on the side first. So now that I have my finger coils done, I'm going to take a blow dryer and dry everything. You can sit outside and wait. I don't really have time for that. So I'm just going to take my blow dryer and dry everything, and then I will show you the final results. So now I have my hair dry. It's not really like 100% dry, but it's dry enough. So I'm going to separate my coils. And to do so, I'm going to apply a little bit of serum on my hands just to avoid some frizz. So now I am done separating all my curls. I'm going to let this down so I can blend everything together, and I'm just going to sort of like finger comb my hair with the clip-ins extension, just to sort of like blend everything together. And I'm also kind of like separating the clip-ins. And I'm also applying some gel on my edges. And so that's how I apply my clip-ins. So yeah, it will look more natural if the hair was more towards the kinky curly, but this is more like deep wave. It's soft, and yeah, so you can actually comb it out to get more volume. Let's just see that. So yeah, that's how I apply my clip-ins. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.